Well, today we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a kids' cuisines mini corn dogs. They were on sale. I saw them. I thought, why not? The other half thinks I'm stupid. And I might be. I don't know. I could tell you when they were cooking in the microwave, all I could smell was that brownie. And now that it's out of there, it didn't look that good. Um, Mini turkey corn dogs, French fries, corn, and a fudge brownie with celebration sprinkles. Now you notice there's no sprinkles on there. That shot you just was watching while I was reading that. No sprinkles. I'll get to that in a minute. Um, yeah. Nutritional facts. Oh, ingredients are right there. They're hiding them on me right in plain sight. Um, this is a Conagra brand. So far, my only complaint with this meal is that there's 6 steps. Well, 5 to cooking it. You take it out of the package, remove the film, and take out the corn dogs. And there's a little teeny tiny sprinkle packet. Isn't that so cute? You take out the sprinkle packet. Then you microwave the meal for 1 minute. Then you take it out, put the corn dogs in, and microwave it for an additional 3 minutes. Then you got to let it stand for 2 minutes, which has definitely been that by now. And then you top the brownie with the sprinkle packets and enjoy. Sprinkle packet. Now, this is supposed to be for kids. I will have to say, I do like the amount of sprinkles to brownie ratio. There is a lot of sprinkles. I normally don't do this for meals before I eat them, but I did salt the corn and the fries. The fries look pretty. They're microwave fries. They're horrible looking. I'm not going to put any ketchup on because I'm one of them weird people. I can do fries with or without ketchup. Most times I don't. Certain restaurants, French fries, I gotta have um, ketchup with them, and others I don't. Yeah, that fry was nothing to write home about. Yeah, I don't know how young of kids this is geared for, but with the kids old enough to use the microwave by themselves, this was just too complicated. Taking things in, putting things out, sprinkles. Needs even more salt. Corn's not bad. It looks horrible, but it doesn't taste too bad. The French fries, they're all just so mushy. You try to stab them with your fork and they just squish and explode. They actually need more salt too. What is the sodium on this? I know I quit reading the nutritional facts because I don't know if people wanted that or not. 790 milligrams of sodium. I don't know if it's high for a meal this small or not. Definitely needed the salt. Hmm. All right, let's get to the star of the show here. Don't want all that on there. Do a corn dog. Oop. It says they call them turkey corn dogs. I don't taste turkey. Definitely needs some mustard or something on there. Those are some pretty horrible looking little hot dogs. I can see where a kid would like this. I got to be cute and funny. Be different. Get tired of eating Bibigo meals. Um, which I think I even still got more to go. All right, let's try the brownie. Let's. I'm just gonna try to get a corner of it here. Oh, oh man. I know kids aren't going to be picky, but that's one of the worst brownies I've ever had. It's like eating a sponge. When you look at it, it looks like a sponge. It's like shiny and on the bottom, and the inside literally looks like a sponge. That's weird. All right. Before we go any further, I need to have you do something. And now that you've done that, I will tell you, corn's okay. French fries are corn dogs are a little weird, and that is just, I don't know what to call that. I will probably eat it, but I don't know why. It's chocolate. I have to eat it. It's got sprinkles on it. I have to eat it. Other than that, this is a very unadult meal. A 4 or 5 year old would probably gobble this thing down. They probably wouldn't want the corn, and that's what I like the best. That's probably what they wouldn't like the most. Have a sprinkle, dog. And yeah, I won't get it again, but for kids it would be okay. I wanted to be silly today. Oh look, there's conventional oven directions for the parent who wants to leave their kid in charge of the oven. Keep kids safe. Kids should not operate an oven without close adult supervision. Thinking your kid shouldn't be operating the oven at all. Oh, companies. All right. Till next video.